After using the SoFi checking and savings account for over 3 years, I can confidently say it's one of the best bank accounts around. It doesn't charge any account fees, offers high interest rates, provides a huge sign-up bonus, and other perks you won't find with other banks. So in this video, we're going to cover the good, the bad, and everything in between about this account to help you decide if it's the best choice for you. If you didn't know, this account is provided by SoFi, an online bank that offers various financial products like bank accounts, loans, investments, insurance, a credit card, and much more all in one place. The SoFi checking and savings account is a combined 2-in-1 bank account that earns interest. So you'll get a checking account for everyday spending and a high-yield savings account for growing your savings. A high-yield savings account is like a regular savings account but pays more interest. Since many of the banks offering these accounts operate online and have lower expenses than traditional banks, they're able to pass on these savings to customers like me and you in the form of higher interest rates. Usually, regular savings accounts offer very low interest rates between 0.1 to 0.5%, while high-yield savings accounts may pay well over 4% interest, allowing you to earn a lot more money. So let's dive into how much interest SoFi pays and how much money you could potentially earn with this account. At the time of recording this video, the SoFi High Yield Savings Account earns 4.6% when you set up direct deposit, and the checking account earns 0.5% APY, which ranks among the highest rates available right now. So with these rates, if you had $10,000 in the savings account, you could earn around $460 of interest per year, or about $50 in the checking account. And if you had $50,000 instead, that could earn you about $2,300 per year in the savings account, or about $250 in the checking account, which is very nice. As you can see, the more money you have in these accounts, the more you'll earn. However, remember that these interest rates can change at any time because they're tied to the federal funds rate set by the Federal Reserve. So the rates we talk about today may be different when you go to apply. Now, one of the most comforting things about the SoFi checking and savings account is that it has no account fees. This includes no overdraft fees, no minimum balance requirements, or annoying monthly fees, unlike big banks like Wells Fargo. SoFi is also offering new members an amazing deal where if you set up direct deposit, you could get a $300 sign-up bonus. Plus, if you use my link in the description to sign up, you'll get an extra $25, making it a total of $325. That's right, $325. How it works is that you'll get a $50 bonus when you receive a direct deposit of $1,000 to $4,999 with 99 cents, or a whopping $300 if you receive a direct deposit of $5,000 or more within 25 days of opening your account. So make sure to take advantage of this bonus before it's gone. There are also other limited time bonuses available, like $50 and 3% unlimited cash back for a full year on up to $12,000 in purchases when you sign up for the SoFi credit card, a $300 bonus on personal and student loans, a $1,000 bonus on medical student loans, and a $100 bonus on private student loans. You can find more details about these offers in the description. When it comes to keeping your money safe, SoFi also has you covered. Your money with SoFi is FDIC insured up to $250,000. Plus, they've partnered with other banks to give you up to $2 million in extra FDIC coverage for free. So if anything were to happen to the bank, your money is protected up to $2 million. To put it in perspective, the standard FDIC insurance is $250,000. So the fact that SoFi offers 8 times that amount is amazing. The SoFi checking and savings account also comes with many useful features and benefits. You'll get a free debit card that gives you up to 15% cash back at local stores. Plus, you get perks like airport concierge services, ID theft protection, purchase protection, and extended warranty. You can also use your card with digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, and it automatically rounds up all your debit card purchases to the next whole dollar, which then automatically gets transferred to the vault of your choice. SoFi vaults are sub-accounts you can create within your savings account for various savings goals like an emergency fund, traveling, or a down payment for a house. The best part is that your money in these vaults also earns interest, allowing your savings to grow over time. It's like having multiple piggy banks that grow in value as you save towards your goals. Other account benefits include automatic savings tools, access to over 55,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide for easy cash withdrawals, an all-in-one mobile banking app where you can pay bills, deposit checks, send money, track your spending, and even monitor your credit score. And with direct deposit, you'll unlock extra goodies like 4.6% APY on your savings balances and vault balances, 3% cash back on SoFi credit card purchases for a year up to $360, double points on qualifying activities within the SoFi app, no fee overdraft protection up to $50, the ability to get your paycheck up to 2 days early, 0.25% rate discount on SoFi personal loans, and much more. SoFi also makes it very easy to deposit money into your accounts. Your options are electronic bank transfers from a linked bank account, direct deposit, mobile check deposit, or make cash deposits at over 90,000 retailers like Walgreens, CVS, and 7-Eleven. And for withdrawals, you can do electronic bank transfers, physical checks, free ATM withdrawals, peer-to-peer transfers, or use online bill pay. And just so you know, SoFi is a certified bank as of February 2022. So although you'll be managing your accounts online, you're working with a real bank. All right, now let's dive into the pros and cons of the SoFi checking and savings account, starting with the good stuff. The first pro is that it offers competitive interest rates on both the saving and checking account, which means more money in your pocket. The second pro is that it has no account fees. Unlike most big banks that charge monthly fees, SoFi keeps your money growing without any extra costs or headaches. The third pro is that SoFi is currently offering up to a $300 sign-up bonus when you set up direct deposit, plus an extra $25 if you sign up using my link down in the description, totaling $325. That's a lot of money you can get by applying for this account. The fourth pro is that your money is FDIC insured up to $250,000 or $2 million through partner banks, which is unheard of for most traditional banks. The fifth pro is that the account comes with a debit card that earns up to 15% cash back locally and offers protection benefits. Most high-yield savings accounts don't come with a debit card, but because this is a 2-in-1 checking and savings account, you'll get one for purchases and cash withdrawals. The sixth pro is that SoFi provides over 55,000 free ATMs at places like Walgreens and CVS, making cash withdrawals easy. This is a big advantage since most online banks don't offer ATM access. The seventh pro is that you can get your paycheck up to 2 days early when you set up direct deposit. The eighth pro is flexibility. You can withdraw your money whenever you want without penalty because there are no fees or minimum balance requirements. And the ninth pro is that you'll get access to a bunch of useful benefits and tools, including overdraft protection, credit score monitoring, a spending tracker, savings tools, and a mobile app to keep track of all your finances. Moving on to cons, the first con is that SoFi doesn't offer a standalone checking or savings account. When you open a SoFi bank account, you'll automatically get both. So if you only wanted their high-yield savings account and not the checking account, you're out of luck. Second, to get the highest interest rate, you need to set up direct deposit or deposit at least $5,000 every month. This may or may not be a problem depending on your specific financial situation. But to be clear, direct deposit means a deposit into a SoFi checking or savings account, including payroll, pension, or government payments from your employer, benefits provider, or government agency via ACH during a 30-day period. And deposits that count towards the $5,000 are ACH transfers, inbound wire transfers, peer-to-peer transfers, checks, instant funding and push payments to a SoFi debit card, and cash deposits. But if you can't do either, you'll still earn a decent 1.2% APY on savings and 0.50% APY on your checking balances. That's honestly much higher than what regular savings and checking accounts offer, but the savings rate may fall short compared to other high-yield savings accounts. The third con is that to deposit cash, you must visit a Green Dot store and they may charge up to $4.95 per deposit. So if you frequently deposit cash, this could add up. However, you can avoid this fee by depositing cash into another bank account first and then transferring it to your SoFi account. You're welcome. This obviously makes sense if you don't deposit cash daily and don't mind the extra step. The fourth con is that SoFi limits ATM withdrawals to $1,000 per day and debit card usage to $6,000. While most banks have limits like these in place to protect you against fraud, it's something to consider if you regularly withdraw more than $1,000 or spend over $6,000 daily. which I honestly hope is no one, but you never know. The fifth con is that because SoFi is an online bank, it doesn't have branches or offer in-person banking. If you have any questions or concerns, you're going to need to contact them by phone, chat, or email. Personally, I've only reached out to them twice in the past 3 years, and they were pretty helpful both times. So I honestly don't really have any complaints about their customer service so far. In my opinion, the SoFi checking and savings account is one of the best bank accounts available, and the good completely outweighs the bad. If you want a checking and savings account combo that offers high interest rates, no fees, and no minimum balance requirements, and you're okay with banking online, then this bank account could be the perfect fit for you, especially if you can meet the requirements to earn the highest interest rate. On the other hand, if you prefer a separate checking and savings account or banking in person, SoFi might not be the best choice since it's an online-only bank. But for many people, online banking is great because it often offers better deals like higher bonuses, interest rates, and few to no account fees. But let me know your thoughts on this account below. And if you made it this far into the video, comment the word SoFi so I know who my loyal besties are. Now that you know everything about the SoFi checking and savings account, check out these videos next to learn about some of the other best high-yield savings accounts of the moment.